What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant, welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to be carrying out a daytime brightness and reflection test on this 65-inch LG G10 OLED. Now the way that I'm going to conduct this test is by showing you a few pieces of footage, some light, some dark, and also some HDR footage. So the environment that I'm doing this test in is in my south-facing living room, and it's quite a bright day today. It's December, so the sun is quite low in the sky, but we haven't got any direct light actually on the screen itself, but still the room is quite well lit. Right, let's take a look then at how this TV performs. So currently this TV is in a standard picture mode, and the backlight, or OLED light should I say, is set to 80. So coming around this side, and we can see some reflections of the TV of that very bright area just down there. And yeah, that is showing through onto the screen there. Brightness levels though, to me, if I just sit in my regular seating position, look more than good enough, I would say, in this environment at the moment. Let's move round to this side here, where we're going to get those reflections off from the windows. And yeah, we can clearly see those reflections there. You still can make out a bit of an image there though. And you know, this is going quite far round, so you know, you would expect to see sort of reflections anyway. But as far as the brightness levels go, I would say, personally, if I go back over here, the brightness levels are acceptable. And like I said, this is not turned up all the way. We will fire up a bit of HDR footage in just a second. And I don't think, you know, the average person would really have much of a problem viewing that at all. So maybe just an issue if you are going to be, you know, sitting around off to the side, or you've got the sun directly on the screen, then yes, it could be a potential issue. Next up, I have a piece of my very own 4K HDR footage, as indicated by the HDR logo. Now, if I just get up the picture settings just to quickly show you guys. So we are in standard HDR mode there, and OLED light at 100. So this is about as bright as you're going to get. And if we just move around to this side here, we get those strong reflections. Actually, that's not doing too bad of a job. You know, this is quite extreme, and I doubt most people will sit around at such an angle like this and watch the TV. So it's not doing that bad at all. But you know, the TV is in its very optimal settings for brightness. But actual brightness itself, with the light coming into the room, I don't think anyone would have an issue with seeing the image at all. It seems more than bright enough to me. Looking straight on. Yeah, no issues seeing that at all. Going to move around to just a different seating position over to the side here, where we're going to have less reflections. Yeah, looks perfectly fine. You know, you can see that's nice and bright. No one is going to have an issue seeing that there. Again, with this amount of light coming into the living room. And we'll just show you going around this side. Again, we can see those reflections just there. But I wouldn't say it's massively impacting on that image. No, yeah, I think that looks really, really nice, to be fair. I think a lot of people say that OLEDs are no good at all in a bright room. I disagree. You know, there are brighter TVs out there, but I don't think it's bad at all. And finally, we have another piece of 4K HDR material. This is my own again, and as you can see, it's significantly darker. And I will be putting up these test pieces of footage very soon. They're all shot in 4K HDR, and I've also got some 8K footage that I've recently recorded as well whilst on holiday. So let's move round, and we can see how lovely and black that does look on the black areas, and nice and bright on the bright bits. But how does it fare when we get those bright windows coming into view? So yeah, that is Not doing so good there, as you'd expect. You know, it's a lot darker scene, so it's going to act a bit more like a mirror if you're being totally honest. Just move around a bit. But as you know, we move those reflections out of the way. Brightness, again, does not seem to be an issue whatsoever. Let's stand back here a little bit. So you would still not have any problems seeing that. Go around to the other side. Now, if you do like what I'm doing with the channel and you'd like to support the channel for free, then I'm going to be putting in my Amazon affiliate link. Now, if you're buying anything over the Christmas period, then all you've got to do is click on that Amazon affiliate link and make your purchase. It costs you not a penny more, but all it does is that Amazon give me a tiny percentage of that sale as commission. So yeah, if you'd like to support the channel, then I would really appreciate it if you do your Amazon Christmas shopping through my Amazon affiliate link. At the moment it's only for the UK, but I'm going to be trying to set it up over the next few days for the USA and the rest of the world. So still try and click through it anyway, because hopefully it should change any day. Well, there you have it then, guys. Now, don't forget we are running a giveaway at the moment where one lucky viewer will win a 55-inch Samsung Q95T. And if you'd like to be part of that giveaway, then go and check out the link in the description where you can check out all the terms and conditions and how to enter. Now, if you have enjoyed this video today, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, then please think about subscribing for more of the same in the future. So, thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.